Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Max Rank dip belt. First, take a moment to understand its robust construction, focusing on the durable nylon or leather and the strong steel chain. Position the belt snugly around your waist, just above your hips, ensuring it feels secure without being too tight. The chain should dangle freely, providing ample space to attach your chosen resistance. This proper initial setup is crucial for both comfort and safety during your workout. Once the belt is on, carefully select your resistance, whether it is one 10-pound plate or a 30-pound dumbbell. Guide the sturdy steel chain through the center of your chosen weight, ensuring it sits evenly. Next, bring both ends of the chain together and connect them to the D-rings on the belt using the 2 carabiners provided. Double-check that all connections are tight and secure, preventing any shifting or accidental drops during your exercise. With your weight securely attached, position yourself at a dip station or pull-up bar, ready to begin your set. Descend slowly, aiming for a full range of motion while maintaining tension in your chest and triceps. As you push back up, focus on a controlled movement, avoiding any jerky motions or using momentum. Remember to keep your core braced and your body stable to maximize effectiveness and minimize injury risk. To ensure your Max Rank dip belt lasts for many years, remember to wipe it down with a damp cloth after each intense session, removing any sweat or chalk. Store it in a cool, dry environment, preferably hanging, to maintain its shape and material integrity. As you progress, consider adding smaller increments, like 2.5-pound plates, to continually challenge yourself safely and effectively. Consistent care ensures longevity and optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.